Since U-Haul's founding back in 1945, we've been manufacturing our own moving equipment. Our products are designed, engineered, and tested prior to the manufacturing process. This standard was set by our co-founders, and it is still followed today by each and every member of our U-Haul system involved in the manufacturing process.
We build production parts and repair parts to support the other manufacturing facilities in Novi, Michigan, Chicago, Illinois, Boston Trailer, and Warrington Equipment. Well, manufacturing our own equipment allows us to set the schedules, allows us to produce the trucks and trailers in an expedited fashion. Typically, we can have a truck or a trailer to the field in 7 to 8 weeks.
Many people don't realize that we design and engineer all our own equipment, and especially trailers are designed from the ground up. So we have engineering, and then we have what we call R&D, who actually build the prototypes. And then typically the test lab would test some of the early prototypes to see if they're acceptable for various criteria that are important to us. So we have so much experience in the field after all these years in the trailer business that we may change the suspension design somewhat or the structure somewhat. When we tow trailers, we have to make sure that customers can safely use our products under various conditions.
We constantly look at our products, we evaluate them, we go through the steps and how can we make it easier. My experience in assembly has been, I understand how to put together. I always look at ways of making it easier for the assembly plants, of how can we incorporate some of these techniques or materials into our process to give our customers a better product.
Sometimes I think we're over-welding something, but I know what it's for. I mean, it's to make it last, it's for durability, and it's, you know, people are pretty brutal on this equipment out there. A lot of it's the right-hand mud guard or something, and that's from making the turn. Guys are cutting the corners too close. They never drove with a trailer. They rip a mud guard off the back of the trailer, and we're fixing it. We make a new one to repair it. So,
quality of our product has really improved over the years, as far as even going from powder coating our steel products to using galvanizing material. It really makes our product last a lot longer. We really become efficient on our assembly line with reducing our assembly hours it takes to build a truck, which in turn reduces our cost and helps our customers.
And we're at the point now where we can build up to 4 products at a time, where in the past it was 1, maybe 2, depending on what it was. If it was a truck and like an AT or an RV, that was all you could get. Now you can do UV, RV, and a truck all at the same time.
You're looking at the quality of the product that you're making and manufacturing, the quality of the parts that are used, the quality of the steel, thicknesses of the steel, and that we all control. Because we manufacture the product, we're in direct control of those features. And so I think in the end, you end up with a much higher in quality product. You know, if we make a part not quite to spec, we can remanufacture it that same day and keep that line running.
Every employee here realizes they have a stake in the products that we build. You know, here at the manufacturing end, we are tasked with building the products our customers demand within a time frame. But on top of that, we are tasked with guaranteeing that the quality and safety designed into each of these products is built into each product that leaves our facility. Everyone here knows that. It's not like we build a product and then it's gone. You know, we live with these products on a day-to-day basis.
Safety is a big factor, of course, is that the reason being is that a person moves from here to there without interruption, and you sure got to be careful about how you build that equipment. And I built equipment for 35 plus years, making sure that we built on the product guide each and every day on every piece of equipment that we built.
Our system members here, we like to look at them as not just employees, but they're skilled technicians in what they do. And if you had another company from the outside building something and stamping the U-Haul name on it, I don't think you'll see the quality or the craftsmanship that these guys who are prideful in their work put into it every day.
All management here just wants you to be as creative as you can. And you know, whenever we can reduce our repair costs to make that rental so much better for the customer so they don't have to worry about getting to their destination. We want that to be the best experience they've ever had. And that's our goal here. Our goal here is to support the front line.